Hey everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today we are doing twice baked potatoes in the air fryer for $5 Friday. Be sure and share, like, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, that helps me in the algorithm. Let's get in today's video. Okay, so what you are going to want to do is I've got two russet potatoes that I have baked off, and you're just going to want to cut them in half. You want to kind of get them cool enough to handle. You don't want to burn yourself. I've only done two because there's just three of us. So if you had a larger family, obviously you would want to do more potatoes. I'm cooking these in the air fryer, but you definitely could put them in the oven. And then you're going to scoop out the center. Now try to leave enough along the edge that your potatoes hold together. I'm going to use my knife to kind of score it a little bit. Just put it in your bowl here. Just gently scrape out your center. These are such an easy dinner, and really you could add anything you wanted to this. If you wanted to add smoked sausage or barbecue, sloppy joe, it just makes a good easy dinner. And when you get a good sale on potatoes, or you grow your own potatoes, it's even better. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this aside for a second. Take my potato mixture and I'm going to add a little bit of butter to it. Let's get all the paper off. I've got some grated cheese. I'm going to add about half, well, 3/4 of my cheese. Okay. I've got some bacon that I'm going to add about half my bacon. Sour cream. Basically everything that makes a baked potato a good baked potato. Let me share something else with you. A lot of people think by getting low fat, reduced fat sour cream that you're getting a better deal. You're really not. They add sugar to it to make it taste better. If you're going to get sour cream, get full fat. When I had my weight loss surgery, that is one thing that I learned. Don't get the diet anything. Unless you were diabetic, which I was, but prior to surgery, eat real food. That is the number one thing I can share with you, my friends. Eat real food. Eat real butter. Eat real fat. Eat real food. Don't go for the diet stuff. Just eat real food. Now, you don't want to eat a ton of stuff, but just eat the real food, because the diet stuff is much worse for you. Now, I don't eat a loaded baked potato every single day, but I do enjoy a little bit here and there. All right, enough of my public service announcement for the day. And by the way, if you didn't know, I lost 163 pounds, so, and have maintained it for well over a year. It's been 2 years since my surgery, so. All right, here we go. You get all that mixed in, incorporated well, and then we're gonna load our boats back up. And by the way, a half of one of these is a serving, not a whole one. And I'll probably eat a half of one, a half of a half. So, just for the record. All right, I'm gonna put these on a tray, and we're gonna cook them in the air fryer on 400 for 8 minutes. I think I can get all 4 of them on one tray. Yeah, I can. Okay, I'm gonna put them in my air fryer over here. I'm using the Air Fryer Pro XL, and I'm gonna cook them, and then we'll be right back. Okay, we're gonna bring this back over here, and we're going to top with just a little bit more cheese. And the rest of our bacon. Because you know, bacon makes everything better, right? All right, I'm gonna pop it in for 1 more minute. Okay, we are going to top with a little bit of green onion. And if you want it, you can dollop with a little bit more sour cream. I'll let everybody kind of do that for themselves. All right, let's bring you a little bit closer. Twice baked potatoes. I hope you will give these a try. I can't wait to dig into these things, and neither can my family. All right. I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks for joining us.